In this short video, I'll attempt to answer the question how to present technical and freehand drawings together. So obviously this is going to be by the technique of collage. So we need to have two things here, void and collage. Collage means this ribbon is a gradient that goes all the way and it connects all these three pieces, 1, 2 and 3, right? And then void connects these other pieces, 4 and 5. That's how simple it is. But by void I mean an area of the page where you can see the color of the page, which is strategically placed so it emphasizes the architecture drawing. In this case, a plan and a section. Cool. See you on the other side. It's architectural drawing. More of the shadow here. It's be like this. Cool. See you in a bit. Take care. Draw nicely.